So, welcome. This is a tutorial on how to do a differentiated Google form. So the first thing we need to do is start with a blank quiz. I'm going to do something very simple. I'm just going to say that it's adding. Let's call it addition. Let's call it adding. It'll save time. Adding. You can give a little description, like you will not need a calculator for this. Now I need to create sections. Okay. So let's say I need their name as well. Good, short answer. Alright, now we need to create some sections. Alright, it's going to automatically create some sections for me. I'm going to call this adding number 1. I'm going to add a question. And let's find a video to go with the problem. So we got 24 plus 13. Let's try that guy out. 24 plus 13. And that's going to be 37. So let's throw in some random numbers here, except for the answer. Alright, now I'm going to create another section. And I'm going to call it the same thing, because it's going to be the video that goes with it. I'm going to add the video. So I'm going to copy this URL right here by clicking on the video. Okay. Now I'm ready for my second section. Oh, I can title it video, or I can say in the description, watch the video. You could say, hey, watch the video if you got it wrong, since you got the question wrong. Let's just say watch the video. So now I got my second section, adding. This is going to be section 2. Alright, let's find another video with the correct answer. Now you can create your own videos. 25 plus 18. You can create your own videos, which is what I do, of me modeling the problem. Or if you do find videos like this on YouTube, you can just use this one. So this one's going to be 43. Okay. So now that I have that one, I'm going to create another section, and I'm going to call it the same thing, adding section 2, right? And then I'm going to insert that video. And I can say the same exact thing at the top, watch the video, and I can title it video. And you can put anything there. You can put the same problem there. I mean, you can title this however you feel it's right. And then I'm going to create another section, and I'm going to say adding, and this is going to be section 3. I'm going to create another question based on a video. So let's say 64 plus 23, that's fine. Okay, and of course this is multiple choice. And 64 plus 23, let's throw some random options. I want the answer to be the third one. So 64 plus 23 is 87. Okay, and then create another section with that video, but title it. So these are all the sections that end up going together. I'm going to add, oop, my bad. I'm going to add a video to this section based on this video right here. I do suggest creating your own videos so they don't have to skip around and find the problem. Alright, I'm going to title it video. I'm going to say watch the video. Alright, so, and then I'm going to actually do a little self-reflection. Don't make that mistake. Okay, so little mistake there. Okay, one more section. I want to say self-reflection or self-evaluation. Okay, I'm going to create a question here. I want to go with, how do you feel about this? I'm going to go with linear, a linear scale. I want to go to 10. Feel bad. Feel great. And everything in between. Okay. So, now I have to go back and insert my answers. So, the answer to this one was 37. Now, here's the trick. You have to click the little 3 dots in the bottom and go to section based on answer. If they get the answer wrong, it's going to continue to the next section where the video is. But if they get the question right, it's going to continue to, in this case, section 4. So, I'm going to come down here, continue to section 4. Alright. And I'm going to do the same thing for all those problems. So the answer to this one was 43? Sorry. It's very early. It is very, very early. So this was 43. So if they get the question right, we're going to come down here, continue based on answer, and it's going to be section 6. So they can skip that video. And for this one, the last section is section 8. So I'm going to be continuing to section 8 if they get the question right. So the little 3 dots, continue to section based on answer, section 8, right to the self-evaluation form. Alright, so I'm just going to come back, I'm going to check all my stuff. Right, we got my section set up. We'll go to the next section if they get it wrong. Go to the next section if they get it wrong. Okay, looking good. And there's my linear scale. Alright, so let's do a little preview. Alright. So let's say we do get it wrong. It's going to bring me to the video and show me how to do it. Now, let's say we do get it right. It's going to bring me to the next section. Say we get it wrong. Oh, I got it right. Alright, should bring me to the video. How do I feel about this? I feel great. And then submit, and then that would be it. So I do recommend making your own videos for this. Okay. Other than that, that is it for the little tutorial. Alright. Everybody have a great day, and I hope that this was helpful.